Hello gamers, and welcome to an all-new tutorial on how to negate your sex drive! Let's just jump into it. Step 1, you're going to take off your pants and get your dominant hand ready. Step 2, you're going to go onto google.com and search up the term My 600 Pound Life highlight clips. Step 3, you're going to do nothing but masturbate vigorously to those same clips that you just googled. And thus, your sex drive has been completely negated. Now you may be wondering, asking me, Jimmy Dean, how on earth is this going to negate our sex drive when we are doing nothing but indulging in it for 6 hours? Well, that's a good question, dear viewer, and the answer is simple. By associating the act of ejaculating in our brains with the disgusting images of those wastes of human flesh, we are creating a mental firewall. And by creating that mental firewall, every time that we get horny, our brains will be reminded of those disgusting EA garbage human beings. And thus, our ding-dongs will recede into our bodies like a raisin. Thus, our sex drive has been completely negated. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to become a Buddhist monk. In the next video, I will be doing a hands-on tutorial on what those clapping sounds are coming from your parents' room. I've been Jimmy Dean, and I'm contemplating suicide.